Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. These two Alice items, because look at it, there are two. I bought over a year ago, but it arrived I think at the end of last year, and I haven't shared it with you. I haven't even opened it. So I don't know what it looks like myself. Well, I know a bit what it looks like because when I bought it I saw a picture online. But look at this. It looks amazing, right? The packaging looks amazing, even though you can't see what it is. What is it? Well, let's start with Alice. It has this beautiful packaging. Again, do you keep this? Do you throw this out? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So it is Alice in Wonderland and it is by Super7. I had never heard of it, but oh my gosh, this looks nice. Aww. It says Alice, a young daydreamer living a mundane life. Her only escape comes via her otherworldly imagination. With it she finds herself going down a rabbit hole and lost in a strange but whimsical world of Wonderland. With the help, or occasional hindrance, of the inhabitants, Alice must find her way back home before she loses her head. Oh, it's awesome. It looks amazing. Oh my gosh. And with stuff like this, do you take it out? Do you leave it in? I don't know. I think I'm gonna take it out because she has 3 heads. That's weird, and I can't show you because there's too much glare, so I need to take it out. But how do you do that? With great difficulty. It's always with great difficulty. Okay. Well, it is. Oh, I do like the grin. Over here it has a grin. I really love this packaging. Let me take her out. Ooh, love the background as well. I think I'm gonna keep this box. Not sure why, but... Oh my goodness. All those little hands. Okay. So I need to take everything out. There's a wire over here. Okay, one, and this I need to cut through, and the rest I think I can take out. Now the question is, why do you want to keep the box? Because I'm not gonna let go of this, but maybe one day I might want to sell it again. Can't imagine, but I said that with my Hello Kitty collection. And then it's nice to have the box. On the other hand, then I'll sell it without the box. Who cares? I don't know yet, but it just looks so nice. I mean, look at it. It's shimmery and shiny, and I love stuff like that. So, can I take her out yet? Is there more? Are there more hidden? I'm just gonna take these out because this is gonna make a lovely noise, you know, like stuff like that. So, I'll be back in this. I'm just gonna take all of it out. Oh my goodness, look at her. It is cute Alice. She looks a bit, I think she has a bit of a creepy stare. Wow. It's a bit of a creepy Alice. She's got a really wonderful petticoat underneath. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, you can even bend her legs, can you? Well, look, you should be able to bend her legs, but... Well, I don't want to break it, but it looks like they can bend. Oh, you can have her sit down. I think, maybe, perhaps. I don't know. Do you have this one? You can move the feet, but I'm so afraid I'm gonna break something. Ooh. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna have her standing up. She said, and then she put her down. Well, she can stand and maybe sit. I don't know. I want to check that out later. I don't want to break it. But, of course, there are different heads. And actually, they're all a bit weird. These are almost the same. This is... What? I can't believe it. And this is... Eek! I can't believe it. What's going on? She looks very scared and well, of course she's in Wonderland and everything is weird and wacky. And here she just looks, I don't know, a bit weird actually. But it's Wonderland. You can take off her head, they say. Oh, that's just sad. And you can put on another head. It's so weird to do this. Can you put on another head? Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Give me a second. So officially you should be able to give her a new head, but my goodness, how? Okay, she's gonna have this head because I can't do that. Oh my god, she looks so scared. No, she's so scared, that's sad. Oh. Okay, anyways, so you can change her head. You can also give her glasses. This is fun. She's got the glasses on. Oh, this is funny. I think I'm gonna leave these on. I think these need to be a bit more to the side, but that won't work. Okay, well, well, I do love this. Right, so I'm a little bit overwhelmed with all the choices. So anyway, let me show you cute little Dinah. Look at her, she's so cute with her cute pink bow. This is gorgeous. So she's gonna sit next to Alice on the ground, and I think I'm gonna give her these glasses because that's fun. And then there's also this little thing. It's just a little cute figurine, so maybe Alice is playing with a doll of herself. Can you see it? That's a cute little figurine. It is Alice with a eat me cookie, and here is a little box where the cookies go. It's really cute. That's actually gorgeous. And then you have different hands. Wait, 2, 4, 5 hands. Well, you can also, of course, give her a hand with a cookie. So, oh my gosh, how do you do that? Do you just tear it up? I'm so... This is very easy to break. I don't think you should do this too often, to be honest. It's so delicate. But she has a cookie, and she's scared of the cookie. Look at it. No! She looks a bit scared. It's a bit of a weird head. I think I'm gonna... This one is still... Yeah, I don't know. I think they're a little bit weird. Okay, so here she has a hand that holds the drink me bottle, I think. But I'm not sure. You have to really force it in here, so I'm not gonna do it. So you have 5 choices. I just gave her the cookie hand. Cookie hand. And this head, so I'm just gonna put these aside. I'm not gonna use these hands. I'm just gonna have her on my shelf like this with a cute little figurine next to her, and Dinah looking at the figurine and not knowing what? She's over there, but she's also over there. You can play with it for hours. So I think I'm gonna do this. It's really funny. Oh, I think I'm gonna put it on my shelf like this. Right, I know I'm rambling a bit, but this is just so weird. I've never had anything like this. Okay, and I've got another one. I've got the Mad Hatter. It's even bigger. So I'm gonna put Alice to the side and make sure that I don't lose all her hands. And let's open the Mad Hatter. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, I just love this. Look at him. So many little items. Oh, let's open it. Over here there's not a grin. It's just, you can look inside. Again, I'm gonna take it out and I'll get back to you. Okay, that took a while. But what do I have? A lot of stuff. But first of all, the Mad Hatter. Oh my gosh, I love him. Look at it. Wait, let me put this over here. Oh my goodness, I love him. Look at it. This is really funny. Oh, those creepy big hands. He's got creepy big hands. I love the little coat. His face is so cute. I mean, Alice's face was a bit weird, to be honest. I think it's cute, but a bit weird. But this one is exactly the Mad Hatter. Now, there's no little Mad Hatter with this one, like you had a little Alice. But it does come with this. Oh, I haven't even shown you this really up close, but look at this little button over here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I really love this face, so I might just keep this one on. It comes with a 3-spouted teapot and some cups with, oh, I love the fact that the tea splashes into the cups. And you can just put it down like this. No, you can't. It'll fall over. Why? Why make it if it falls over? Come on. Yeah, or like this, but that's not not really. It doesn't want to, it falls over. That's a shame. Yeah, so I need to have it lean against something. Oh well, it's okay, but it's a shame. Of course it falls over. This is way too heavy, but it looks really nice. And there's also the birthday cake. And I absolutely love this one. I have a few of these in different sizes, so it's really funny to have another one. A very merry on birthday. I like it. So this one, yes, this one will stand. There is a cup of tea. Oh my gosh, and oh, this is funny. And you can dip this in here, I think. This is a saucer with a bite out of it. And do you put this in the tea or do you put the watch in the tea? No, the other thing. There is a pocket watch, which is really funny, but to be honest, I think the inside could have been better because these weren't cheap. And again, I couldn't paint anything like this, as pretty as this, but this doesn't really look wonderful. It's a bit, yeah. I think a sticker would have been better. Now, to be fair, the person who had to paint this is way better than me. But it just doesn't look really nice. Oh, wait. Maybe it does look awesome because it is jam. There is jelly and butter and stuff in here, I think. So, okay. You know what? I thought it didn't really look nice because you can't really see the pocket watch really well, but that's because there's butter and I think jam in here. So of course it doesn't look nice. So actually this is a great job. So you can have him hold a cup, I think. And then with this hand, I think I'm gonna use this hand. Let's see which hand is better for holding a cup. I think this one. There's this. I think it's so weird that you can change those hands. I know of figurines like these because my son has a lot of them. And then this is the left hand. Yes, the right hand, I don't know. So, oh boy, I think this is so creepy. What if I break it? Here we go. 1, 2. I broke it. So it's going to be this hand. I can't do another hand. Oh, I really broke it. How? Yeah. So it is really nice, but on the other hand, this is so fragile. I just broke it. I broke it in two. So this hand, I need to do surgery now. It's also small, you can hardly see it. I have to take out this and put in another hand. This one doesn't work anymore. Why, Gandalf? Why? So he needs a new hand. Shall I? Well, you know what I'm gonna do. And I want to put this hand as well. Do I dare? Do I dare do this? I'm gonna break this one as well. No, this one is okay. So let me just put this one. You need to check if you put the right thumb in the right place. I thought I broke it again. This is a creepy video, guys. So, yeah, I really do like them, but I don't like the fact that this is so fragile. I think you can only change them once and then you just need to leave the rest there. I want to put the cup over here. And, or is there something you can put in here? I just don't really get it. There's a little slit in the cup, in the tea. I think you can put this over here. I'll figure that out later. When I'm gonna put it somewhere in my collection room, I'm just gonna figure out if I'm gonna put the teacup on the table or over here. I don't know yet. I broke it. Oh my goodness. So if you have, luckily there are lots of spare hands, so you can use more of them. Weird hands. But as you can see, this is very tiny, and with the Alice ones it's even smaller, so I'm not going to change the hands anymore because this is going to break. So that's actually the only downside, and I don't really love the Alice faces. I would have liked it if there was a cute one, but that's my opinion, so someone else might really love it. The faces of the Mad Hatter, however, are amazing. Look at this one, he's a bit angry. But still, I can't really be angry. A bit annoyed, I think. But I really love this one with a big smile. And then you have this one, which is really funny. You don't even see his face because his face is inside of his head. And then this is open. This is a funny one. Now I'm not too afraid to change the heads, but I really love this one, so I'm gonna keep this one. And then guys, you have the cute little dormouse in a teapot. It's so cute and tiny. I love it. Look at it. So you have a birthday cake, you have... Oh, actually, this is the little figurine. Oh, here you have Alice, and here you have this one. And then here you have Dinah, and here you have the cake. I don't know, it doesn't matter. And then these that won't stand. But still, like I said, the only thing that I think is not that great is that this is so fragile. Because I just broke it. But I really like it. Look at it. You have the Mad Hatter with all of these accessories, even extra heads and extra hands, and a teacup with, I think you can put the saucer in here, and a pocket watch with butter and jelly on it. So that's the Mad Hatter, and Alice is, oh, they're gonna look amazing. The question is, do I put them next to each other, or do I put this one with the Mad Hatter on the Mad Hatter shelf? Those are difficult decisions. So here you have a lot of heads, a lot of hands, the Drink Me bottle. I love the cute little Drink Me bottle. And Dinah. All of this in those huge boxes. And by the way, the box, the Mad Hatter box is amazing as well. You've got the teacup, the teapot and teacups over here. And look at the Mad Hatter. Mad Hatter, just named for his considerable top hat and his loud and kooky personality. He, along with his two equal eccentric friends, are in the middle of yet another celebratory on-birthday tea party when their cheerful singing is interrupted by the helpless Alice, trying to find her way home. That's a bit sad. Oh, these are awesome. I think I might just keep these boxes. I do keep a lot of the boxes. I throw out a lot of them. About half of them I throw out, half of them I keep. And then I'm now at the point that I don't have any room for more boxes. So if I want to keep these, I need to throw out something else. So we'll figure it out. Ta-da! And now I need to put this somewhere in my collection room. How am I gonna do that? Oh, the poor thing, he only has one hand. Oh well. I'm gonna fix this off camera because I need to take my time for that. And it's, oh well, it's so sad. But like I said, a lot of spare parts. So what do you think of these? Weird, right? These are weird. I mean, come on, look at it. These are so weird. I'm just gonna take this one off. They're so funny and so weird. And I ordered them over a year ago. So when I got them at end of December, it was even over a year ago. So it took a long time for them to get here. So I had almost forgotten what they looked like. I knew they were coming, but I didn't really know what they looked like. And I really love it. I just absolutely love it. So guys, let me know. What do you like best? I think I like this one a bit more than Alice, just because her face is so... I would have loved a cute little face, but I do love it. I do love this cute little... I don't know what the name for this is, but the glasses bird thingy, and the little figurine and Dinah and these. This is awesome, even though it doesn't want to stand. Boop. But yeah, so I'm gonna find a spot for this in my collection room. Do I put this on the Mad Hatter shelf? I don't know yet. I'll find out. And then I'm just gonna, first I need to give him a hand. And then I'm gonna find a spot for it. I would love to know, would you, if you're an Alice fan, if you have an Alice collection, would you buy these? Did you buy these? Did you break one like I did? I would love to know. I hope you didn't, by the way. So that's it for today. It's a bit more of a rambling video than normal, and maybe a bit of a weird video. I know I always have rambling weird videos, but I was just a bit surprised by it all, and a bit of yeah, I broke it. That just, anyway. That's it for today. I hope you have a lovely day, and all that's left to say is groetjes uit Wonderland. Greetings from Wonderland. Bye. So I know what I'm gonna do this afternoon. My goodness.